welcome once more to the Aspin Shed. Just a little tip, something that's annoyed me for some time. I have an iPhone thingy, 10, 11, 12, 4, 3, I don't know which one, but an iPhone with the Lightning connector. I can't remember the name of it all the time. This was my wife's and I have acquired it since. It has been bequeathed to me. When she had it, she always had to charge it on the wireless connection. It was second hand to her as well. Somebody else bequeathed it to her. But we always had problems with the Lightning connector. We'll get there in a minute, one of those jobbies. When it was inserted into the phone thusly, it never, well, it would charge, but you had to wiggle it and position it very carefully, and then when you put it down it would disconnect, and you'd wake up in the morning and it hadn't charged. And since having it myself, I've had the same problem. I've actually fitted a new battery to this, and at the time I thought I'll put a new firewire connector in it because I thought it's damaged. But lo and behold, it wasn't actually damaged. When you plug your firewire connector in, it should go square to the phone. This one was offset slightly, and you had to keep pushing and probing until it made a connection. Anyway, having examined it recently, because I've had the thing for a year, I found that I don't think we were ever going to get a picture down there. There was muck in the bottom of the socket, and using an appliance like this, which must be plastic, this is quite pointy and thin, but it's got to be plastic because you don't want to do any damage. There are contacts down there. You can insert it, I'll get a bit closer, and pick out the rubbish, and I was absolutely astounded about the amount of rubbish that came out. Dust, bits of tissue, all sorts of things, and you can see it. You need a magnifying glass of some type. I'm using one of these magnifying lights. You can actually see it and pick it out, and after doing that the cable fits in correctly and it charges perfectly. Now obviously I've cleaned this one before doing the video, but I have prepared another one. This is an iPhone, innit? Something or other, but it's got the same firewire connection on it, and when I look in the bottom of it this morning, it is also got garbage in the bottom. So I'll show you how to remove it on this one. Right, that's the best I can do, shot wise and picture wise and every other wise, and I'll have a go at doing this now. Right, I can't see what I'm doing now, and as you know I shake something terrible, so this will take a minute. Don't know if you can see to the bottom of that. and that's what come out on the first poke. Can you see? This one was charging, it wasn't as bad as the other one, but I just wanted to do that so you could see the amount of rubbish that comes out, and that was the first poke. And as you can see, I shake something terrible. More, and you can go on like that for a while and keep flicking it out and blowing it out until it all comes out. And once you've done that, you find your fire wire, not fire wire, whatever they call it, thingy wire, lightning plug goes in perfectly and it charges straight away. Oh dear, dear, dear. I've got my foot on the wire. Do not fear, I'm coming back. Get it the right way round. Straight away charging, and you can wiggle it about and it carries on charging. This was the one I was having all the trouble with. There's no sound on this one, but it goes straight in. I don't know, can't see the charging or anything, but I also have a charger with a meter on. Hang on. There's my little charger, and you can see it's charging at the moment at 800 milliamps, and you could plug it in before and you had to wiggle and wiggle until it started charging, and then when you put it down it would stop charging because the wire had moved. But I can pick up the phone. I'll try and pick up the phone with the other hand, and we can wiggle it all about, up and down, round and round. And it's still charging at 800 milliamps. So there we are. So that's how you can clear your Lightning port on an Apple iPhone of some description. Hope that helps somebody. It certainly helped me. I haven't got to take the phone apart and put in the Lightning port I bought. Thank you. Bye.